Hi everyone, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with a individual review on this Freetress Brazilian braid 20-inch. This is the packaging. It has a variety of styles on the back, and this is 20 inches. Okay, so right now I have three and a half packs in my head. If you have not seen this video on how I got this style, I'm going to leave it in an iCard. But this hair is big. As you can see, it is really big, and I have a decent amount to the back, so I'm going to try to bring it all to the front so you can kind of see how big it is. But this hair is really big, but I promise you it is extremely light and airy. When I was installing this hair, I had to really pack it in because this hair is so light. This is all that I have left from the package that I used in my 4th pack. So this is all that I have left, and I just tied a ribbon around it so I could use it another time. Okay, so I wanted to show you all how light this hair is. When I was installing this hair, I did not have to separate the hair at all. It kind of just came separated, and I love that because I was able to do this style so quickly. Okay, so this is the hair, and the only thing that I had to do when I was crocheting the hair was pull a piece off. This is small enough for me to put it, attach it onto my hair without having to pull it apart or without worrying about the knot coming out. It is super duper light, you guys. Like, I really cannot get over how light this hair is because it is so big, but I absolutely love it. This is probably the lightest crochet braids, one of the lightest that I've worn. So I absolutely love that about the hair. Let's get into the tangling and the shedding and all of that good stuff. I'm going to tie this back and put it to the side. So this hair, I think it's awesome. It does not shed. I mean, it sheds a little bit, but it does not shed as much as my last install shed. That one shed a lot. But this one, it's just average shedding. You know, you run your fingers through to get rid of any loose hair, and that's about it. It's not anything that's going to be leaving a trail behind you because it's shedding so much. I absolutely love this hair. I've had it in for, what, about a week now. I haven't had any matting in the back whatsoever. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through it now. It's no matting whatsoever. The curls aren't clumping together. I don't like for my curls to clump together because it makes the hair flatter. I like for mine to stay separated, and this hair is like awesome. I absolutely love this hair, seriously. Very, very pretty. It's not shiny. It does give off a natural looking hair color, and I love it. It just looks like a braid out. Just looks like a braid out, and like I said, it's really pretty. I would give this hair a 10. I have no complaints whatsoever for this hair. None. Zero. No complaints whatsoever. I absolutely love it. And believe it or not, I purchased my hair from eBay. I was extremely skeptical, but I purchased this hair from eBay. It came as the original packaging. Nothing looked crazy. I think when you order from eBay, it's very important to look at the seller's rate. eBay rates them based off their reviews or whatever. And, you know, this person had, I think, a 99 or 100. So I just decided to order from them. I bought 5 packs for $20, and that was enough for my head. I knew it was going to be enough because I've never used 5 packs. Only time that I maybe possibly would use 5 packs is if I'm doing the individual twist or braids, doing the individual method of crocheting. So that's about it. But other than that, you guys, I would definitely recommend this hair. It is absolutely beautiful, and it is extremely light. No complaints whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I will see you in my next one.